Hi everyone. Now we are going to discuss about the movement of air. The movement of air. How air is moving from one place to another, or how wind is moving. Okay, and high pressure to low pressure. And sometimes we feel at evening time very cool breeze touching our body. Why these changes are occur? Sometimes very hot in who are living in coastal area means what, nearby seashore area, nearby coastal area. And what will be happen who are living in this area nearby seashore area, ocean, a sea, especially for nearby seashore areas, and who are living and okay, rivers nearby, living who are living in nearby rivers and water bodies, who are living in nearby that areas, what will be have they feel in different conditions of atmospheric conditions. Okay, now our concept is what, the movement of air. Okay, first of all, wind. Generally, what is the meaning of wind? Wind, sometimes we are using the term wind, breeze, wind, air. Air is a gaseous form. The movement of air. Okay, what is the meaning of wind? The movement of air, one region to another region. Okay, one place to another place. Okay, the movement of air, one place to another place. The movement of air moving one place to another place, that is we can call wind. Generally what we call wind. Here, why these movements are occurs, why air is moving from one place to another, why we are observe different pressures, and sometimes our body touches what cool air, cool breeze, sometimes what hot. Why these changes are happens, especially for who are living in coastal area. Okay, one thing, and compare with water and land. Land means sand. Okay, compare water and land. If you observe these two, these are the natural resources, water and land, necessary important resources for man and living organism. In that, compare with water, land is heated very fast. It heats very fast compare with the land. Why? Because it heats very land means what? For example, this is land. Okay, soil, for example, land. This is the direct land. Above the land, air is there. Okay, and air trapping the sunlight, it is reflect the sunlight, it keeping the sunlight. What will be happen actually above the land only? Whatever air is there, it is air. It is reflected that what we call the radiations, and sometimes it keeping the radiations in this place, in this air. What radiation? So that what will be happen, the radiation observed by land, so that it heated very fast compared with water. So for example, okay, I'm drawing with these are, okay, this is water. Okay, what we call generally under rough diagram. Okay, this is what, water. This one is the land. Compared with water, the land heated very fast. Okay, and water heats very slow. Okay, it lost the heat also very slow. It it observe the temperature or heat very slow. It's lost from their water. Water loses their heat very slow. Losses very slow and absorbs very slow. Two things are important. But land actually, above the air, it will be absorbs radiation, and so that the land heated very fast compared with what, water. That is, you have to remember one point. Okay, here, okay, we are discussing about what, why the movements of air. Air is moving one place to another. That is nothing but we can call wind in coastal area, which are seashore areas, which are nearby sea or ocean or river, in that areas we are observed various type of different types of what climatic conditions. Why? Because we are observed that type of condition. It's very simple. For example, okay, this one is a land. Okay, what we call this is example only. I'm drawing a rough diagram. This one is land. Okay, sun rays, is okay, radiation. Okay, radiation, ultraviolet rays. The land is heated, so that what happened here? Here above the land, whatever air is there, above the land, whatever air heated very fast. Why? Because it's just trapping. In that carbon dioxide also is there. It trapping sunlight. Okay, what will be happening? It trapping and heated. It keeps the air in atmosphere. In air, whatever sunlight or radiations are, it is keeping. And what would be happen actually here? Temperature is increasing. Air is heated very fast. So that above the land, whatever air is there, that is heated very fast, it is moving upward. Which is moving? Whatever heated air above the land. Above the land. Whatever air is there. Why it is moving? Why it is moving means it increasing the temperature, so that what will be happen? It loses their weight. Which weight? Air weight. Whatever whatever atoms is there, it is divides, broke down, and it loses their weight. When it absorbs the heat, it loses their weight, so that whatever air is there above the land, it is moving upward. Okay, that point you have to remember. Later, this is seashore area. What we call? Okay, sea or ocean, whatever is there, we can call ocean or sea or water, whatever is there. This is. And here, water absorbs the heat very slow compared with land, so that it heats what? The water is heats very slow, so that here above the sea, above the water, whatever air is there, whatever air or wind means the movement of air one region to another region. The wind is moving above the seashore area to on land at during daytime. During daytime, in morning time, what happens here? Compare with water, above the land, whatever air is there, it is heated very fast. Sand absorbs the heat, so that above the land, whatever air is there, that is increasing the temperature, so that it is moving upward. Here the pressure is decreased. Why the pressure is decreased? Here no air. What happened that air? It is moving upward. Why it is moving upward? The sand absorbs the heat very fast, so that above the land, whatever air is there, it is heated. It is moving. It is heated and it is lost their weight and moving upward. That is the concept. And compare with here the pressure is decreased, so that here in above the water, whatever air is there, it is having weight, so that it is moving towards land during daytime. Here pressure is decreased. Why? Because whatever air is there is moving upward, so that pressure is decreased. Whatever pressure is there here, high pressure, the weight, okay, it is a cool air compared with land air, so that the cool air is moving toward land. Whatever heated air above the land, it is moving upward in daytime. That point is very important. And second point is during night time. This is daytime. Okay. Now what happened during night time? During night time, what happens actually? Here quietly reverse. For example, above the water, it's cooled down very slowly. It is cooling very slowly. So that where above the water is above the water, whatever air is there, that is warm compared with hot compared with what above the land. Okay. At night time, this air is above the sea, above the water, whatever air is there, that is very hot. Why? Because it loses their temperature or hotness very slow. So that here the air, whatever air is present here at night time, that is hot. It is moving upward. Whatever air is there here, compare with water, it loses their height very slow. Here above the land, here cool air is there, that is moving towards water. Try to understand. Quietly opposite during morning and during night time. During night time, whatever air is there above the water, it is moving upward. Why? Because it contains some temperature, heat, so that it is a warm, so that it is moving upward. And above it cool down very fast. What's one? Land. Above the land, whatever air is there, it cool down very fast. So that whatever cool air is there, that is moving toward the sea water. It is moving, whatever above the sea water, whatever air is there, it is moving upward. The movements of air based on what? Pressure of air. For example, here at night time, whatever air is there above the sea water, it is moving upward. What happened here? Pressure is decreased. So that here highest pressure is there above the land, cool air is there. It is moving towards seashores. Okay. And during daytime, what happened? Here above the land is what absorbs very fast, whatever heat or temperature. So that above the air is heated very fast, it is moving upward. It absorbs very slow temperature or heat, so that it is cool air is there. The cool air moving this right during daytime this way, and during night time, cool breeze, whatever cool breeze is moving land to sea water. Okay, and during daytime, sea water to land. Sea breeze, you can call sea breeze, sea water to land. Land at night time, land to sea water. That is land breeze, we can call. Okay. Anyway, that is the movements of air based on pressure of the air, based on heat of the air. For example, heat air having very weightless. Okay, so that it is moving upward, which is cool air having what? Little bit weight, so that it is moving downward. Okay, try to understand that concept is important. That is the movements of air.